on to the final steps of website building for our new tree service client. Build everything from scratch, and just wanted to show what we have here. All right, so I think this is okay. So this is the one where we left off at, and basically what I was saying was I already fixed the footer to make sure that it wasn't getting cut off over here. I think the service areas was way down here in this corner. I fixed that. And then we also linked the Facebook profile and the social button. Should go to Facebook. Perfect. Let's see. We have that. And then the last thing I was doing was I added in the actual reviews using his high level. And all you got to do is just go to reputation and then go to widgets and then get the code from the widgets. I went with the carousel and I gave this code to a lovable, and I told it, hey, I want that section build out and everything like that. So it built this section, and then also I wanted a map right here instead of it just having this generic map dot right here. I wanted this also added in. So let's go ahead and hit reload. You'll see the difference. You see this is a lot cleaner, a lot better than what it was before. And also SEO, this is extrapolated from Google. As you see right here, this is 2026 Google, so that's also a plus. Hey, welcome in. I'm just recording a video right now, and then as you see, the generic what customers say is gone, and the actual reviews is coming in and everything like that, so it looks a lot cleaner. So I would say this website is complete, so the final steps would be to get it registered on the search engines. And if you saw in my previous videos, it really doesn't take long to do it, but you need to have access to the DNS records and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is go to my client's side. Hopefully we're still logged in here, and we're going to try to get his DNS records. Let's go to domain list. Oh, now I gotta log back in. Hopefully it'll let me log in. Perfect. And we're gonna go to manage. And I do have advanced DNS, premium DNS, redirect domain. Just trying to find a regular DNS. Let's just go to advanced. Perfect, we're here. All right, now that we have this, we're going to go to search console. It's Webmaster, Webmaster tools. Let's see if that's it. They did change it. Looks like they changed it.
When you get done recording, just let me know. I'll put myself on mute.
Perfect. So it is Search Console. So you go to search.google.com. We'll type in our domain here. All right. So we're going to add this TXT file. Add a new record. TXT record. Put the value in here. I don't know if the host. Let me see what the host is. So it doesn't look like there's a host. So I think I can just get away with hitting this check mark. Well, let's use @ symbol. It says automatic. Let's do 1 minute. Alright, so after about a minute, this TXT record will be done. And then another one is Bing Webmaster Tools or something like that. That might not be it. Now I gotta get in touch with my client. And that is me registering your website on Bing and Yahoo. So hopefully he's available, and basically that's pretty much it. So as you saw in my other videos, I've already demonstrated how to get your website and everything like that on to these platforms. The next thing I need to do is get a sitemap. So let me go ahead and request that. I need an XM sitemap, and can you include the sitemap within the footer? I don't think it read me. I need an XML sitemap, and can you include the sitemap within the footer? Excuse me. Alright, so while it's doing that, we're in there. Thank you. So get started. Google release, continue. Alright, so it's doing the same thing. Add site manually, so we're going to do that. Quality care. Alright, it says we can do this. HTML meta tag, or we can add a CNAME record. Let's do that. Add CNAME record with the name this, and the value is verified Bing. Okay, we'll do that. Add a new record. Look for CNAME. Target is there. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's the host. Oops. and then the target is verify.bing.com. Okay, now it's been a minute for Google. Let's go ahead and hit verify. Ownership verified, perfect. So we have his search console there ready to go. And what I can do is I can add myself as like an admin or something like that from here on out. And then for Bing, we gotta wait 1 minute and we'll verify that. Let's see, sitemaps. So now is waiting for the sitemap. So let's go and see if we have that ready to go. Go ahead and approve. Oh shoot, it's approving. Alright, it's doing its thing. Adding the sitemap to the footer now. Done. Sitemap added. There it is. It's way on the bottom. It's kind of up, but we can see it. Great. Great. It's the XML sitemap, or how do I get that? Most likely it's just a domain with XML in it, but let's just ask for it anyway. There it is. Okay. This is the XML that we need. Oh shit. That's not right. Why does it say that? Isn't the domain qualitytreecarega.com? That doesn't make any sense. Why would the sitemap be a whole nother website? So we're going to have to go through the whole entire website, crawl it, make sure everything is correct. You're correct. Both files have the wrong domain. Right. Thank you. What's happening here? So glad I'm going through all this stuff because you got to make sure all this stuff is proper before turning everything in. Okay, waiting for that, and this should be done. Let's verify. Congratulations, site added is successful. Now, okay, we have sitemaps, URL submission. I think we just did that. You can automate URL submission with the API, submit URLs. Alright, we'll do that later. Then sitemaps. So we tell Bing about URLs on your site will allow you hard to discover by a web crawler. Okay, now we're going to submit the sitemap. Okay, perfect. So those two websites are ready to go. 2 edits made. I thought I already have that.
Hey, I have some questions I need to talk to you about whenever you're done.
Almost done. Give me like seconds or a little less. I just want to make sure we got everything right. I'm pretty much done here though. So it's very important that you do this step last after you confirm that all these pages are working and linked together and everything like that. So that is all done. Because we need this sitemap to stay consistent and no real major changes are going to happen. So it makes this website a lot easier to get ran or scanned. Done. Okay. I don't know why it's still saying preview right there. It shouldn't do that. Alright, so what's happening is this sitemap right here is still, if you look at it closely, it's still linking out to the project URL. We don't want that. Yep, it's on the footer. Good. Editing the footer, good. Okay, check it out. Reload. Alright, well, for some reason it still says it on my side. Alright, well, it went to the right page. Definitely not doing that. Just doing this to test it out. Make sure it says the right thing. Okay, good. It actually says the right thing. Go to Google Search Console, add your property. Anyway, enter site, hit submit. Yep, that's exactly what we're doing. Submit. Submitting sitemaps. Success for my records. Okay. And then do the same thing over here, processing. Alright, so that's going to end this video here. Really quick and easy. Very important step though. Just want to make sure you guys understand, once you get finished making your website, crossing all your T's, dotting all your I's, what you want to do is register your sitemap. Make sure your domains are registered also to Webmasters. Basically this allows for your new website to get found way faster and crawled way faster. Literally millions of websites being created every day. So this right here puts a little priority on search engines finding your new website. And plus this sitemap allows for the search engines to easily find all the pages and stuff like that. And then next will be backlinks. That's what the next thing we're going to start working on. So be on the lookout for that. Appreciate everybody watching the videos, and stay tuned. If you need our help, you already know how to get in touch with us. See you next video.